everyone, welcome to Aurora Hotels. This is your monthly forecast for Aries, Taurus, and Gemini for March 2021. You can look this up for Sun, Moon, or Rising sign. This is a general reading, so to book your personal reading, please find my details in the description section below. So let's start the reading with Aries. So firstly, whose birthday is falling in March, wishing you a very happy birthday. Hope you have a good birthday and a great year ahead. So let's start the reading. I have 3 cards laid out over here, which will highlight the message for March 2021. I would also be taking out a guidance card from the Oracle deck. So we have Page of Pentacles, 7 of Cups, and Knight of Pentacles in this reading. I see a lot of stagnancy, boredom, and daydreaming. Your needs are not being fulfilled, whether it is in a relationship, work, or personal life. You're feeling all over the place as if you do not have control on anything in your life. Probably you are fed up and bored, and you really don't care much at this point of time. With the cards over here, it seems like you might be getting influenced by what other people think of you and what you should be doing. So you need to be more self-reliant rather than depending upon what people have to say. You could take their advice, but do reconsider your decision and if the decision works for you. With 7 of Cups over here, you would have a lot of choices available. But be careful of choices that you make this month, because not all of them will have positive outcome. So do weigh in. Again, with 7 of Cups here, you have had your head in the clouds and you need to get it down to do some serious business. Those who are in business, expect the news coming your way. So the news may require you to make some kind of a decision. So be your best judge. Be it job or business, there is a lot to be learned before the success comes to you. So work on gaining enriching experience for now. With Knight of Pentacles, the movement will be slow. Also because you do need to put method to madness. Page of Pentacles and Knight of Pentacles over here strongly indicate that it's time you need to take a stock of your life and reinvent yourself. Be it your beliefs, patterns, habits, and the works. With Knight of Pentacles here, there seems to be a change coming in. A new opportunity which will help you move in the right direction. Knight of Pentacles also highlights career in business. So those who are planning to start on their own and to have their own venture, this surely looks like setting up the right grounds for you. You will get an opportunity to start something new. Could be a creative venture. Some of you may even study further, and those who are in a job may even get a job offer. Some of you may even shift house and relocate. Knight of Pentacles again amplifies that you would move towards turning into a new leaf, a new you, a reinvention of yourself. New ideas at work or study will give you new growth. So don't shy away from taking credit of your hard work. If you are waiting to hear about anything related to money, then expect it to be a good news. If you are a student or about to embark on a course of studies, work hard as future will bring you financial rewards. Definitely a good time to get a good internship. For those who are in a relationship or are married, things might be feeling a little stale. You may even feel like you are trying more than your partner. Many things that happen in a relationship seems like a big deal at that time, but when you really think over it and reflect upon, you probably did blow things out of proportion. Try to remain calm and try to be mindful of your partner's feelings. If you're single, you might need to put a lot of effort to find the right partner. You may need to look outside your existing social circle and find new connections. Some of you may also go for a makeover. So with 7 of Cups, you may be attracted to a partner, looks, wealth, or probably the status quo in the society, than what the person actually is. I think it's a choice that you make. However, what it will in return do is put you in tremendous pressure to look or behave in a certain way to fit in. So let's take out one guidance card from this oracle deck. We have infinite abundance. I'll read the message over here. Abundance is pouring into your life. Beautiful card. I would definitely suggest this is not the time to remain passive. Everything is blossoming and bearing fruit now. So open yourself to receive. The prosperity you seek is being activated. There is a stream of abundance in all areas of your life. So take action to move towards your dreams. This is definitely not the time to passively wait for abundance to fall into your lap. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to Aurora Foretells for more oracle readings and updates. If you were able to resonate with this reading, please do give a thumbs up or do write in a comment. Thank you. Much love. Hi Taurus, welcome to Aurora Foretells. This is your monthly forecast for March 2021. You can look this up for Sun, Moon or Rising sign. This is a general reading, so to book your personal reading, please find my details in the description section below. I have 3 cards laid out here which will highlight the message for March 2021. I will also be taking out a guidance card from the Oracle deck over here. So let's begin. We have 7 of Cups, 5 of Swords and Ace of Pentacles in the spread. Some of you may have some choices to make, some decisions to close. However, you may have trouble deciding and it's going to drain you big time. You might be finding it difficult to see clearly what are the best options available for you. So it's best to rule out what you don't want and you think is not going to serve you. I also feel that there has been a lot of shoving of issues under the carpet. You are either afraid to confront or be confronted. Also try to avoid any kind of misunderstanding as we do have a 5 of Swords in this spread. A conflict is coming your way. There are going to be arguments and create some tension for you. Angry words, bitterness, resentment would all be vented out. There could also be some personality clashes, or you will not be able to chime in with people in your family or at work. So analyze where potential conflicts could arise and stop them before they start. So dig deeper and try to understand the patterns that may have caused misunderstandings and conflicts. Try and also reflect upon any past events which would have led to complete crackdown of a situation. At work, some of you may quit a job or may decide to discontinue a business partnership due to conflict in the working environment. You are up against some stronger opponents who are better equipped when it comes to tactics and strategy. They are used to the scenario that you are currently dealing with while you are not. However, with Ace of Pentacles over here, you will find better opportunities, which would be more rewarding than the ones that you would leave behind. I also see a new house or a new car for some. For some, it could mean you are probably in an abusive relationship. You may be surprised with how delusionary the relationship is as the masks are falling off. There is some sense of betrayal that you may feel. It could even mean a fallout because the promises were not kept and the expectations were not met. If you're single, be very careful of the kind of person you go out for a date. It could be an extremely unpleasant experience and the person may turn out quite obnoxious. I see some kind of online bullying or trolling as well. So be it work, personal life, avoid sharing anything on social media. So I'll take out a guidance card from the Oracle deck. It says vast vistas. The message over here is expand your horizons. So both Seven of Cups and this Oracle card states that you have the choices to make. This lad in the card is sitting on the top of a cliff and does have an aerial view of all the directions he could probably take to continue his journey further. However, he need to discontinue thoughts and patterns which would lead him nowhere. You have to see the world in new ways. So step out of your comfort zone and think out of the box. Take time to nurture your dreams as big changes are ahead of you. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please leave a comment and give a thumbs up. Subscribe to Aurora Foretels for more Oracle updates. Thank you. Much love. Hi Gemini, welcome to Aurora Foretels. This is your monthly forecast for March 2021. You can look this up for Sun, Moon or Rising sign. This is a general reading, so to book your personal reading, please find my details in the description section below. I have 3 cards laid out over here, which will highlight the message for March 2021. I will also be taking out one more guidance card from the Oracle deck placed over here. So let's start your reading. We have 3 of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles and 4 of Pentacles over here. So all coin cards in this spread. So this month is all going to be about finances and money matters. So this month you are feeling very ambitious and enjoying your work. So you're feeling more secure and you're ready to amp up your performance at work. Or if you have business, you are ready for expansion. You look forward to actually follow your passion. With 3 of Pentacles over here, teamwork and good client relationships are indicated for you this month. You would be satisfied with your work, be it at office or be it at home front. And you would be taking pride in your accomplishments. Your hard work would reap benefits, so stay committed and focused. You might be able to create a piece of work which would be an example for others to follow. Be it at home or work, you might redefine how things happen and come up with efficient way of doing things. Much applause is coming your way. So this is also a good month to invest time for yourself and your family. Engage in the experiences that would be enriching and would help you and your family grow. With Ace of Pentacles here, you would begin a regime to look after yourself both physically and emotionally. I also see new beginnings. It can be a job offer or an idea that will bring much success and recognition for you. Ace of Pentacles brings wonderful message of manifesting abundance. This is also a good time to start new and establish secure foundations for yourself. While we do have an Ace of Pentacles in the reading, which would mean financial rewards, which would mean abundance coming your way, but with 4 of Pentacles over here, it does also tells you to invest your money wisely. So understand the dynamics around you before you jump in putting any money, be it in markets, be it in business, or even if it means lending to somebody. If you're married or you are in a relationship, you will have to look into your past to understand the patterns that could be a lesson for now to work out any issue. I also feel that some of you may be oblivious or blind to your partner's needs or feelings. Or some of you may be facing a challenge in expressing themselves. Maybe because you're holding your emotions and feelings. This is a good month to work on shared experiences. A good time for both of you to move towards a common goal. So plan well. If you're single, you're unable to put yourself out there to receive and accept a partnership. You may find someone at work. However, you are closing yourself and you are not really willing to explore the possibility of any kind of a romantic alliance at this point of time. So I will take out one guidance card from the Oracle deck over here. So we have stepping into power. The message over here is you are strong beyond measure. Beautiful healing card. So let me read a quick message from the guidance book over here. It says, if you have lost or given away your authority to someone or something else, it's time to reclaim it. If you are afraid of standing in your truth because you are afraid of being judged, shunned, or rejected, it's time to let go of your hesitation. So take back your power, stand in your own light. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you resonate with this reading, please leave a comment and give a thumbs up. Subscribe to Aurora Foretels for more oracle updates. Thank you. Much love.